Hey guys, Pat Gagliano here. Going to take you on a tour of another custom finished basement we just finished. You can see here we got the stairs open up. Not quite as much as we normally do. We had a structural column here that just couldn't be moved, but it's still a little bit more than normal and it does help out a lot. Of course, to enhance it, we put a nice built-in right here. They'll put a picture, family portrait or something. So it's a little attractive when you come down the stairs. We had this area here where we put the bathroom. We have a full shower. Vanity, and it was nice because we got the toilet behind a private door, which works out really nice when we're able to do that. So this area was a little difficult, so what we made was a little sitting area here, just in a dead area. There wasn't not much we could do. Homeowners didn't really have any other needs. Sometimes this would be a game area, maybe pinball machines or arcades or something like that. Anyhow, as you come through here, this section is really for the kids. And what we have here is we built these custom toy boxes with non-slam hinges, so we don't have to worry about the kids getting their hands stuck. And it's great for storage. A lot of times people put cushions on here. You just go to a local like Pier 1 or something. Over here, what we did was we made a legal bedroom. So in order to do that, it's essential that you put in an egress window. So this meets all the codes and requirements for a legal window. For a bedroom with the ladder going out, the window still has to be a certain height so it's easy and safe. So having said that, we have a walk-in closet right here, big unfinished storage room right there. It's a pretty large basement. So as we pan through this way, you'll see we got a custom bar. This is no stock cabinets. Everything is built completely from a pile of wood. It's milled right in the basement, built custom. We build this in only a few days, believe it or not, but it takes about 2 weeks to finish because it's finished like furniture. This is not just some stain. We have a furniture finisher comes in, can't see nails or anything like that, seams, but it's done really, really high end. Everything's custom, the cabinets, the doors, you name it. So this area is really for entertaining, and as we walk through here, we got pool table, and everybody loves these shuffleboard tables. A lot of times people can't fit them because they don't have the nice long wall. In this case, they were lucky enough to have the area, and it works out really nice. So part of this whole entertaining, this is kind of the main thing right here. We have a home theater. It's not tremendous, but it's perfect actually. It's we got 6 seats. And they could actually fit 2 more if they really wanted to, but it really lays out great. We have decorative molding on the walls, shadow box, chair rail. They got a 120-inch screen, so they did a great job of picking out colors and and good attention to detail. So that concludes another custom finished basement. I appreciate you guys taking a tour with me. See you in the next one.